is Manny Scale Modeling Podcast. How's everybody doing? Just doing a quick video through the shop here and show some builds I'm working on and that kind of stuff. This I'll be starting later today. And I've been messing around with the how to make rust and stuff, and this was the first one I did. Learned it from Mars Garage. Thanks, bro. And working on this one now. That was in a previous video I was going to start working on, so I'm getting there. Still needs a lot of work. I still got a lot of practicing to do, but looks pretty cool so far, kinda. Shop card. And of course the Ford just sitting there still, waiting for some parts. And just a bunch of stuff everywhere, I guess. There's the super truck. That's the one that I buffed out with the Dremel. Not too much. I don't have room for all my stuff, so a lot of it's in storage. But just there's the printer, cure station, wash station, and then that one's a cure station. Fan I got there to dry the parts. So this is the model shop room and the studio, as you can tell. Microphones, laptop that runs everything, of course. Live video sound card. And I got the one light here. I gotta get another one. Camera. That's what we do the other ones on. Let's see, is my one air compressor down there, the Iwata one. That one's awesome. And I got my backup one there. Paint booth. I have to move everything in order to paint and cover stuff up. And my desk, which I can't even get to. Some wood burning stuff me and a friend of mine do, and we sell. That's my favorite one though, right there. And stencils and my airbrush stuff for doing t-shirts, real motorcycles, small Matchbox collection, some of it. Let's see, and all the paints, clears, all that kind of stuff. And that cabinet right there is full of it. Well, Model Car Mafia. There we go. So just a quick, oh, I know, I almost forgot. So I'm going to come back with a little tip for the 3D printer. I'm going to get the top off and the vat undone and do a little quick tip. So I'll be back. Okay, just a quick thing here. I'm going to be doing some printing later. Well, probably tomorrow. But you can see doing some LED headlights. Love these things. They're so cool. But I'll have better pictures of them later when I get printed and stuff. Oh, I forgot to undo the 3D printer, so I'm gonna have to splice this together, so I'll be back. Okay, so the quick tip on the 3D printing, cleaning your vats out. You can see how that one's still pretty clear. This one's been in here for at least 3-4 months, if not longer. But when you use paper towels to clean it in here, it does scratch the film. So your best alternative is to get just a um, uh, microfiber cloth like this or whatever, Walmart, AutoZone, whatever. Then I cut them into small pieces, and I use this to clean the vat out. And just this little piece will clean that out once you get it all scraped out and everything. And you can use a paper towel on the, the aluminum parts, but all I use is that, keep that nice and clean. And I just cut it into pieces like that. So pretty simple. But thanks for watching, and I'll be back again soon.